beautiful people. Today I wanted to share a cooking tip with you on how to properly cut tomatoes so they don't get all mushy and not really nice. So tomatoes have a very thin skin, and if you try to use a regular chef's knife to cut them, you can see it doesn't really go through. Like, you really have to apply a lot of pressure and then it gets really messy and like gooey. Instead, you always want to cut tomatoes with a serrated knife, which has these little indents here, and you'll see it's so much easier to cut, and look how beautiful and pristine those slices are. So nice. And this is an heirloom variety tomato. It's an heirloom plum tomato, and you can see that it's not perfectly round, but heirlooms, I highly encourage you if you can find them. They taste so much better and they're more beautiful. They come in these pretty shapes and pretty colors, so definitely try them because they're much more flavorful. So I hope this helps you in your kitchen, and yeah, enjoy.